Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see about pivot table and pivot charts in MS Excel. Before seeing how to use pivot table, let us see what pivot table means. A pivot table is an interactive way to quickly summarize large amount of data. Pivot table can be used to analyze numerical data in detail.
So let us see how to use pivot table. First, let us select the required data and we have to ensure that the heading should always be bold. Now go to the Insert tab under which we can find pivot table. Let us select it. Once we select pivot table, Create Pivot Table dialog box appears which shows the table or range that is selected and also gives us an option to either place the pivot table in new worksheet or in the existing worksheet. But let us do it in a new sheet. Now
the pivot table appears in the new worksheet. On the right side, we can see pivot table fields, which shows all the column heading from which we can choose fields to add to the table. Let us see an example. Now, let us drag the required fields and place it in any of the areas given below. Let us drag the country to the row area. So now, we can take a look of all countries available in the data. Next, let us drag the items to rows again and place the quantities in values. Now we can see the quantity of different items purchased by different countries.
we can also collapse and expand the data. Once the data is collapsed, by clicking on the plus symbol near the main heading, we can see the items under it. We can take another example. In this, we can see the sum of list price, actual price and sales. To simplify the process of making a manual pivot table, you can also use recommended pivot table, which recommends various pivot tables that can be made from the given data. Like this, using pivot table, any complicated data can be understood easily.
Now let us see what pivot chart is. Pivot chart provides graphical representation of the data in their associated pivot table. Let us see an example for pivot chart using a different data. This data shows the expenditure of a family on different items for 5 years. Let us select the data, go to the Insert tab and click on Pivot Charts. Enter OK and a new pivot table and chart will be shown. Select the required fields. You will get the chart. This chart shows expenditure of all items over years. This shows the total expenditure over years. We can also change the chart type. For this, we have to right-click on the chart area and then go to Change Chart Type, where you can see various types of charts like column, line, pie, bar, area, XY scatter, stock, surface, radar and combo.
We are selecting pie here. We can see the expenditure for years by selecting the year from the pivot chart field on the right side. To see the values on the chart, click on plus sign beside the chart and click on data labels. Now we can see the values as well. This is how pivot table and pivot chart can be used to understand the data easier. Hope you all find it useful.